This week we had a customer with an iPhone 12 that told us that the phone would not turn on or charge. They took it to a mobile phone repair shop before it came to us, and the mobile phone repair shop was unable to fix the problem and recommended them to one of our competitors, On Track Data Recovery, in Brisbane. That other data recovery company tried to recover the data, but after about a week of trying, they were unsuccessful and told the customer they couldn't help either. Our customer came to us as a third option, but was really desperate to get lost photos back from this iPhone. We found that there was a short circuit on the phone, and we asked the customer what happened to the phone. The customer said they just dropped the phone on a tiled surface. Now, when we looked at the phone, the screen was not broken or smashed. It didn't appear to be too badly damaged, and we were surprised that the phone was damaged due to a drop. In this case, we found there was a short circuit on the CPU side of the logic board underneath the top surface. We had to actually troubleshoot the short circuit on the top layer, which was unable to be found, and then we pulled the logic board apart and found it underneath. We were able to temporarily fix that problem, and the phone was able to work to allow us to make an iTunes backup, as well as backing up all the photos and videos for this particular customer to a USB hard drive. If you have a similar problem and your phone suddenly died, we would definitely recommend bringing it to us first. Don't waste your time or money sending it to other data recovery companies or mobile phone repair shops if all you care about is the data. Your best chance of getting your data back is with someone experienced and skilled like our team. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in this video. Otherwise, feel free to reach out to us if you need our help. Thanks.